Good morning. So ito guys, maghahatid ako ng apam, no, foreigner. So bagong kaibigan natin. So titingnan natin guys kung papayag siyang isali ko dito sa sa vlog ko. Sasama ka ba?
Kami na mama. Maning.
Oh. So let's go. Asan ba si Ray? Oh, nagbo-vlog ako eh. Oh. Good morning. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you join my vlog?
Sure.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes.
Oh, it's so dark. It's my friend.
Hello.
Ray.
Yep.
Oh, good morning to you.
And his boyfriend.
Okay. Can you introduce?
Yes. I'm here in the Philippines for 2025 for the New Year's. It's been a blessed day so far. Over here, had some good breakfast from the boy here.
Classworthy. Classworthy.
Class?
Do you know? You know Classworthy?
No, what's that?
In English is lucky.
Oh, lucky.
Yeah.
Class working. Yes.
It's Classworthy vlog.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Can you subscribe my YouTube channel?
Yes, I will.
Classworthy vlog.
All
Can you
right.
search?
Yeah, I'll search for
Oh,
it. I'll
yes,
subscribe.
my face is very guapo. Do you know guapo?
Guapo.
Nice guys.
I'm learning the language still.
Nice guy. Nice guy.
Yeah. Oh yes. Okay.
Guapo. Like
Handsome.
handsome.
Yeah. Okay.
Tall and handsome. Like you. Tall and handsome. So ayun mga kaswerte. Ini-enjoy lang natin si Ray, no? Dahil siyempre, alam mo naman si Kaswerte, kahit pa paano huwag na tayo maubusan ng English. So ayun, hatid ko muna siya sa kanyang motor guys. At siyempre, i-enjoy natin siya dito sa Pilipinas. New Year siya dumating guys, hating gabi. So yun lang yung namin sa kanya. So in-invite namin siya ng hindi naman ibang tao, di ba? So kailangan maging friendly lang tayo sa kanya. Alright. So ayan mga kaswerte, mamaya uli habang nagbibiyahe kami. So good luck kaswerte. Welcome to Philippines. Open yung door niya. Abing. Yeah. It's not aircon. This car.
I understand.
The car is poor. It's old like me.
Still functional.
But very simple.
Yeah.
Oh, video mo ako din. Tutukan mo ako para may sweldo ka sa akin. Hindi ako nakikita. Sa akin, siyempre, hawakan mo. Magpapagas tayo.
Magkano pa?
Hindi na natin Englishin na magpapagas tayo kasi baka pagasan niya eh. May magsusubscribe na sa atin ng madadagdagan ng subscriber natin. Yan. Siyempre si Ray, subscribe tayo ni Ray. Good morning, Happy New Year. Mga kaibigan natin.
Tapos magreklamo ka naman na mga galaw.
Okay lang, huwag mo kasi gagalawin. sa may bandang Bitigo, Belmonte. Yun yun, no? Yan. Niyuyuko mo eh. Hindi nakikita yung nice guy. You know, Ray, I'm looking sponsor
Yeah.
for my blog
Oh, okay.
because yeah,
To help sponsor the vlog.
helping the poor Filipino.
Oh, really? Okay.
I give him old clothes and old shoes, something like that. Yeah. I giving him from the bottom of my heart. Tama. Yung galing ko sa rin, napanood ko sa mga vlogger. So from now on, I'm decide to my wife to decide to looking sponsor. Yeah. Tama ba yun? So
Ever.
you teach me edit
Edit? How to edit?
edit the video,
Well, I
something like that.
I haven't been to myself. I'm not big in vlogging.
Because you are expert. Because your work is IT.
I think this is the expert right here. She already has a vlog.
But you are an expert. Alright guys, yun ang mga pitik ni Casualty. Nung nagtataksi nga ako dati, mga foreigner yung pasahero ko, nagkakaintindihan kami. Sa pa kaya? Oh no! Mga pasahero ko dati, merong Muslim, India, Chinese. Oh no! Kakaintindihan kami ng Chinese, Thailand. Shout out sa Thailand, Korea, sa Chinese, China. Yung mga friends natin yan, mga bansa na yan. Yan. Very good. Iikot mo kasi yung camera, tingnan mo sila mama, sila Ray. Papakita mo para